In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show self-view on Zoom and enable this feature for a more interactive video call experience. This is particularly helpful if you want to ensure that you appear presentable and professional in your meetings, or simply need to keep an eye on your own presence during calls. First, let's start by heading over to zoom.com in your web browser. This is the gateway to accessing all things related to your Zoom meetings, and where you'll find the settings to adjust the view options. Once you are on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. This way, you'll be able to access all the necessary features. Now, let's move on to clicking on your profile icon. You can generally find this at the top right corner of the web page. Your profile icon is your entry point to personal settings and preferences in Zoom. From this drop-down menu, you'll have access to various Zoom features, but for now, let's focus on getting to the web app. Click on the web app option. This action will redirect you to Zoom's web-based application, a streamlined version that gives you quick access to meetings and basic settings without needing to download the desktop application. This feature is convenient for those who may be using shared computers or prefer not to install software. After entering the web app, look for the option to start a new meeting. You'll typically find this button prominently displayed. Click on New Meeting to launch a digital conference space where you can test out your self-view settings in real time. Enabling self-view before actual meetings can ensure everything is set just right. Once your meeting environment is up and running, direct your attention to the View option on the toolbar. The location of this option may vary slightly depending on whether you're on the web app or another version, but it's generally found along the top or bottom of the meeting screen. Clicking View opens several layout options for your video feed. Finally, to enable the self-view, click on Show Self-View. Activating this feature will allow you to see your own video feed, ensuring you're centered, your background is appropriate, and you're ready for professional interaction. Being able to monitor your presentation adds confidence, especially if you're sharing your screen or leading discussions. By following these steps, you now have self-view enabled on Zoom, providing better control over how you present yourself in meetings. Experiment with this feature in various meeting scenarios to see how it enhances your video conferencing experience. Don't hesitate to revisit these instructions if you need a quick refresher, and soon managing your self-view will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.